Good morning students, how are you? Okay, today we are going to read our EVS chapter number 6 Housing we need. तो आज हम इसकी रीडिंग करने वाले हैं. ओके, चैप्टर 6 Housing we need. A place where we live is called a house. We all need a house for the following reasons. Our house provides us shelter and keeps us safe. It protects us from heat, cold, wind and rain. It also protects us from thieves and wild animals. Types of houses. Houses made of bricks, cement, wood, steel and iron are called permanent or pakka houses. They are mostly built in towns and cities. In big cities, there are multi-story buildings which have many flats or apartments. Big independent houses, known as bungalows, can also be seen in cities. People in hilly areas live in cottages which have slanted roofs so that snow or rain can slide off the roof easily. In villages, people build houses from straw, mud and bamboo. These houses are called kacha houses. For example, hut. Special houses. A houseboat floats on water. A karma is a house on wheels. An igloo is a house made of snow. A tent house is made of a sheet of canvas or nylon. Log house are small houses made of timber log. Stilt houses built on wooden poles are found in places where it rains a lot, such as Assam and Meghalaya. Cleaning of a house. All members of a family should work together to keep the house clean, neat and tidy. We can keep our house clean in the following ways. Sweep and mop the floor every day. Let plenty of fresh air and sunlight enter the house. This can be done by opening the windows every day. Fix a wire net on doors and windows to keep flies and other insects away. Keep things at their proper places after use. Remove cobwebs from the house once a week. Dispose of garbage every day. Throw waste materials in dustbin. Keep 2 dustbins, one for waste like vegetable peel and dried leaves, and the second for wastes like glass and plastic bags. Bathroom must be washed and cleaned daily. It must be kept dry. Decorating a house. People decorate their houses in different ways. Decoration adds beauty to a house. This can be done in different creative ways as given below. Some people use handicrafts of different colors to decorate their houses. Some draw beautiful patterns on doors and windows. On special occasions and festivals, people decorate their houses with flowers, rangolis, colorful electric lights, candles, paintings, diyas, etc.